Hello, Escambia County Public School teachers. Have you ever found yourself wondering, which of my students has a parent portal account attached to them? Well, wonder no more. We have a report for that. So join me for our Byte of Tech with the Student Data Systems team as we show you how easy it is to find out your students that have a parent portal account. Let's go ahead and learn how to run that report. On that Focus Portal page, come over to the side and click Reports. Come down to District Reports, and then we're going to look for Users. We're going to click Parents, and then you're going to see that My Students with Parent Portal Accounts report. Come over to the side and click that green Run button. The report generates, and it's going to show you your student IDs, the name of the student, the parent portal account that's attached to that student, as well as the link contact. Now this field is really important. If it's blank, then that parent is not going to receive communication in their parent portal account. So we want to make sure that those link contacts are there as well. And now you've learned how to run that My Students with Parent Portal Accounts report in Focus. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we keep making those videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.